Project management is the application of knowledge, which means what you have learned on the job, skills, which is soft skills, tools, which are templates and reporting templates, and project management tools that you have, like Monday.com or Asana, uh, or all these things that you have. These are the tools and the techniques that you have. PMP is the most important industry recognized certification. As I said, you learn to speak the proper project management language. You understand the proper project management language. You know what is the project management, what is expected of project managers, and what else. The first and love, it was launched in 1984, and now we are in what, almost 40 years into it. And during this time, we have um, the first PM book was, I think it was out in 1969, and now we are in PM book 7, and PM book 8 is on the way.